Well, good morning, everybody. I am so excited to welcome you all today to our professional internship presentation event. This is with the University of Hawaii at Hilo, Tropical Conservation Biology and Environmental Science Master of Science program. And to begin our morning, to open our morning, we're going to have an ole that's going to be presented by our own Kavehi Lopez and Carmelita Villalobos. So I will turn it over to you two.
E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e o na mea huna no e au o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e o na mea huna no e au o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e o na mea huna no e au o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai e.
So next we just want to give a land acknowledgement. Here at UH Hilo, and especially at the start of the TCBES program, it was very important for us to acknowledge the spaces that we are doing our work in. So we just want to do that again today and respect the land and the place that we're coming into and working on.
Aloha nui kako and mahalo nui for joining us today for the TCBES Professional Internship Symposium. We'll be starting off with a land acknowledgement in an effort to honor Aina and Kanaka Oiwi, the indigenous people of Hawaii. As we gather in this virtual space, we recognize that the places that we work and live in have been severely impacted by settler colonialism. We also recognize that Hawaii and its people have what Hawaii and its people have endured as an illegally occupied nation. This intimate connection between Kanaka and Aina was taken by force. Land dispossession, as well as the loss of language, culture, and spirituality, continues to fuel the intergenerational trauma experienced by Kanaka Oiwi across the Pai Aina. We must all acknowledge this harsh truth and move forward towards building trust, relationship, and allyship with the Kanaka Oiwi of this land, as they are inherently tied to Aina. The sustainable future of both is dependent on this undeniable familial bond. As scientists within the TCBES program, we acknowledge our kuleana to take the steps towards restoring this relationship between Kanaka and Aina. Mahalo.
Thank you very much for that powerful land acknowledgement. Thank you, Carmelita and Kavehi. I now would like to invite the TCBES directors, Tracy Wigner and Becky Ostertag, to join the presentation.
Oops. Aloha, aloha, I komo mai. As Director of the Tropical Conservation, Biology, and Environmental Science Graduate Program at the University of Hawaii at Hilo, I am very pleased to welcome you to Spring 2021 UH Hilo TCBES Professional Internship Presentation Day. Before we begin with our extraordinary program, I would like to tell you a little bit about the TCBES program. Our mission is to provide Masters of Science level graduate education that fosters the knowledge and techniques in conservation biology, and environmental sciences, including basic, applied, and socio-ecological research, and promotes scholarly activities in marine and terrestrial environments that will enable participants to pursue careers in research and natural resource management. The program utilizes the extraordinary biological, physical, and cultural complexity of the island of Hawaii as a focus of investigation and study. Graduates of the program are highly successful at obtaining technical positions as scientists, resource managers, and educators, and admission into PhD programs in related fields. The program began in 2004, and we've graduated more than 200 students. We currently have 45 faculty associated with the program across 5 different colleges. And we have 53 active students, but not for long. 10 will be graduating this semester. And we're very excited about that. Join us again on May 14th for our Zoom-based graduation ceremony.
Okay, in the fall 2018, we expanded our internship track into a professional master's degree. The students here today conducted more than 600 hours of internship work in an immersive experience. In the past, the majority of Hilo TCBES students followed the thesis track, received an excellent training in research, and then many of the graduates went on to work in natural resource management rather than continuing their education and obtaining a doctorate. With this reality in mind, Hilo revamped the internship track option to align to courses with knowledge and experiences that a graduate needs to actively contribute as a scientific professional in an environmental and conservation agency, NGO, or other organization. Part of this revised curriculum is a rigorous internship project. And now, more than ever, we need science to inform decisions we make about conserving biodiversity, about the management of natural resources, and we need social science to understand how humans make decisions that affect the well-being of our planet. We need to understand the human-environment interactions. And that's the advantage of Hawaii Island. We have something here that's truly special, unique, a spirit of aloha and a collaboration that we can see so clearly in the audience, all of you that are listening right now, with Hilo students and faculty, with partners, nonprofits, from state and federal agencies, from seasoned veterans to those just starting out in their career path. There's a sense that we can and will do this work together. In this small island system, we collaborate because we have to, but also because we enjoy and we respect each other. And we know that's what's Pono, because we have this beautiful wisdom of the indigenous knowledge on which to build. So we invite you to listen today to our 6 featured speakers. They're shown here. This picture was taken in their first semester when they take a core class all together. And they, in this class, they do field work and learn how to do science in the Kipuka of Hawaii Island. We invite you to listen to them today, to observe, to question, to critique, and to share knowledge in this event. Welcome, and we look forward to learning together.